Hello to all my beautiful collective. It's your girl, Empress Met on the ones and twos and threes. Here to do a quick energy check in for my beautiful collective. If it resonates, it resonates. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Don't force it to fit if it's not your story. If you like and or love what I do, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow on your way out. I really appreciate it. I'm offering personals, I'm offering minis, I'm offering 3 question pools, I'm accepting donations. If you feel inclined to do any of those, do not hesitate to do so. Follow the information in my bio in my description box. Um, it's all there. And if you don't want to do nothing, as far as donating to my channel financially, you can always donate to my channel energetically by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I would appreciate that as well. And following, of course. We're gonna go ahead and make it happen. I'm a little tired. I wasn't even sure I was gonna do a reading, but I'm about to go ahead and do a reading because I love my collective. It may be the last read that I do of the night because I got to kind of recharge. And then when I tell y'all tomorrow, I got the longest day in history. One of my baby's birthday coming up, and you know how that goes. So we gonna make it happen. But we gonna purify the energy. My angels, ancestors, and spirit guides, can you please give us the clarity that we need to get this message out to my collective? Okay, so with that being said, what I'm kind of picking up with this particular reading, if it resonates, resonates. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay, there's my weird pleasant energy. But anyway, we have what I'm kind of picking up with this particular reading in general is when I see thief and played out. What I'm picking up with this is what I'm just kind of getting is that my collective is pretty much fed up within the situation. I feel like that you could have been attached to this situation for an extended period of time, and I know that to be a fact because we did have played out that hopped out. And so since I have played out, I think I'm just picking up that y'all just fed up with the whole situation. The first card that popped out to clarify this for y'all today is thief, and with thief we have robbed, lost, emotional, robbed, lost, theft, physical or emotional. So with that being said, I feel like that I'm really just picking up. I don't really pick up a financial loss, although I'm not gonna say that whatever energy that you was prior attached to, that it couldn't have been some form of a financial loss that was involved in this situation. But pretty much when I look at this message, what I'm really picking up is that just of your energy, just of your time, just of your emotions, just general. Just generally speaking, because I feel like this particular situation that you have been given into for an extended period of time, it has does still have not proven to you to be as beneficial as you thought. I kind of feel like that you was probably kind of stuck in some coming up with your own narrative around situations instead of kind of trying to accept the situation for what it is. But with that being said, I feel like that it has kind of came to the point with my collective that this whole situation with this person kind of, I'm getting this person really don't really what haven't really been in reciprocating energy, and I feel like this particular person has not been in reciprocating energy for an extended period of time. And I'm just kind of picking up within this connection that my collective, because I see played out, you kind of gave into this situation for an extended period of time, and I feel like you did it just like in good faith, basically. You know what I'm saying? Like you were just trying to give this person the opportunity to kind of right their wrongs, kind of balance the connection, kind of balance the energy that was in the connection as well. But I just feel like with all that being said, you still was left, empty handed within the situation. And I feel like you just felt like that this person robbed you emotionally and physically and in our ways, just period point blank. I'm not really necessarily picking up like a physical, like they stole something from you or nothing like that. I'm picking they stole time, they stole your energy, and I feel like with my collective, you kind of come into the realization that this is some time that you won't get back, the energy that you won't get back, and the realization that you came to in order for you to feel like that you got played out is that you was given into a situation that pretty much was not given into you. And with that being said, I see Queen Rising that popped out, and so with Queen Rising popping out on the board, what I'm picking up is that basically you Queen Rising, which what I feel like it's been a long journey of you coming to the conclusion about about knowing your worth, just generally speaking. I see Queen Rising stepping into power, praise, coming up, spotlight. That's what I'm telling you. It's like you want to come up, and as you've been going through this come up, you've got to the conclusion that you deserve better than this, and this is why it's got played out. And I feel like for a selective few of you, you probably tried to, you elevate into a new level, and it's like this particular energy. I'm picking up that it is a masculine energy as in regards to a feminine energy. Although I try to keep the energy as mutual as I can, but when I see Queen Rising, stepping into power, praise, coming up, spotlight, that's what's happening. You want to come up, and with this being said, you do want to take this masculine with you. But this is the universe way of telling you that, you know how they say that when you begin to elevate, some people it's just not for them, meant for them to carry on and go into the elevation with you. And with that being said, this is why we have come to this conclusion. My collective have come to this conclusion because basically because you have been putting in this work, because you've been stepping into a different level of power, because your energy is ascending, just generally speaking, I feel like that you've been getting a lot of praise, you've been getting a lot of attention, you got a lot of spotlight on you, you want to come up. It's like, basically, with that being said, I feel like even before the come up, you was kind of coming to the conclusion, but you was just trying to give this person the benefit of the doubt to kind of correct the situation. But nonetheless, they didn't correct the situation, and now you just kind of over it because you want to come up. And with that being said, because you want to come up, you realizing that basically pretty much that you deserve better. Just generally speaking, it's been a lot of drama in this connection, and I feel like it's like he is giving, like, this person really just putting you in a lot of drama filled situations. And with that being said, it's just like you over it. I feel like it's the same old story, same old shit. And with that being said, you just over this whole situation, period, point blank. And with karmic friends, I'm not gonna say that it's not a potential that you could have some karmic friends, but what I'm more so picking up when I say, when I read this card, I see karmic friends. And when it say karmic friends, it says can't fully trust them, tension, secret competition, keep your friends close and your enemies closer. I feel like I'm kind of getting a vibe of like sleeping with the enemy, you know what I'm saying? Like the whole time that you felt like that this person was dealing with you and wanted to see you come up and do your thing, in reality you come to the realization, although I feel like that it's been a long time coming for you to come to this realization, but because this has come up and it says that you can't fully trust, I feel like that you have had a lot of indications of this person have presented you with a lot of red flags as to as to why you shouldn't trust them. But being who you are, you tried, you really tried, and you but it's like, you know how they say that strangers root for you more so than like people that's closest to you. And that's why I was getting like a sleeping with the enemy type of vibe, because the whole time this person should be in reality really trying to push you forward into this come up that you coming in, into this spotlight that you coming in. I really kind of pick up that you're really not feeling like that you getting the necessary support that you need in this connection. And I feel like with that being said, it's just you feel like you've been robbed of a lot of time, energies, and effort. And I kind of just feel like because you are Queen Rising, because you coming into the realization that you knowing your worth, you kind of just getting over this whole situation. With that being said, I feel like a lot of my collective, for who those resonates with, if you have not leave, you are definitely in the mind to separate yourself in this connection. If you do so, if you have already done so, the conclusion that you're going to come to is that we have the card dodging bullets, which popped out. And with dodging bullets, it's blocking negativity, escaping crazy people, protected by haters. And I just feel like this particular energy kind of just really been a hater in real life, like for you. And with that being said, that's why you kind of like separating yourself from this person. If you have not separated yourself from this person in the near future, you definitely will be coming to the conclusion that you will be separating yourself from this person. Because with that being said, the levels in life that you're currently going to, collective, this energy that we're currently putting on this table tonight is just, this person is just very not so deserving of leveling up with this within this process. I'm kind of feeling like you have been definitely going through a leveling up process, and I feel like you want to share this energy and this experience with this person. But with that being said, I feel like that my collective could have been potentially experiencing some delays. If you have been experiencing some delays and you are in this Queen Rising energy, the reason why is because the levels that you are on your way to, it's just certain energies just not meant to go with you to that level, just period, point blank. So with that being said, you will be making the right call if you decide that you want to go ahead and block this connection out, blocking because you're going to be blocking the negativity, escaping the craziness of the whole situation. And at the end of the day, you're just going to really be protecting your interests from this energy, just period, point blank. Because this person, they kind of coming off is giving me kind of like wolf in sheep clothing type of vibe, just period, point blank. Then with stalker, you got someone stalking you, and then when it comes to stalking, with the stalker, we have stalking, watching, and obsessed. This energy that is played out with this energy that you can't trust. That's why I say that I'm picking up the energy that for some of y'all have already separated yourself from this energy. But even if this is the case, if you have not separated yourself from this energy, you definitely will be separating yourself from this energy in the very, very near future. And if you have separated yourself from this energy, I'm definitely getting that this person is giving real stalker vibes. They stalking you, they watching you, they obsessed. They stalking, watching, and being very, very obsessed about this Queen Rising energy. You definitely dodged the bullet, but at the same time, you did the right thing, because in the reality of the situation is you looking out for your best interest, because you felt like this person had your best interest, but have yet come to the conclusion based off the drama that they kind of brought into your life that they don't have your best interest. But nonetheless, it's not keeping this person from watching you. Other than that, beautiful collective, I hope that you found some beneficial energy in this reading. I hope that it provided you with the insight that you need regarding whatever situation this could be resonating with. Nonetheless, have a beautiful, blessed Friday. Empress Matt out. Thanks. Bye. Peace.